In this video, I'll tell you how you can set a song as ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy A07. First of all, navigate to your Google Chrome browser like so, and right here you can type the name of the song you want to download like so. And after that you can download the song from any website. I'll go for this website like so, as there are multiple songs listed here. You can download the any song you want to like this. As you can see, that file has been downloaded now. Once you have downloaded song from Google Chrome, after that navigate to your settings application like so. Then go to sounds and vibration. Tap on that. Then go to ringtone. And at the top right corner you can see a small plus icon. Simply click on that. And right here I can see this is the song which I just downloaded. Simply select the song like so and tap on done. And as you can see that I have now set a song as my ringtone. So that's how you can easily set a song as ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy A07. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.